Searching for the perfect pot to complement your plants? The Decorative collection from Desch has you covered. As a grower, you can select the right color to enhance your plants, making them even more appealing to consumers in store. From stylish decorative pots and hanging planters to bowls and window boxes, all available in over 140 trendy colors on request. Best of all, consumers don't need to repot. Just place or hang your plant right away. Functional, stylish and a true eye-catcher. Plus, these pots are made from recycled polypropylene, making them a sustainable choice designed to last. A perfect match that adds value to your plants and make it easier for consumers to choose. So let's get creative.